Hello, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you about count function in SQL. Using select statement, invoking count built-in function of a count, how to use we will see. The count function will use to return a result set of a data rows, how many are available with the specified condition where clause, or if it is not where clause, what are the select statement is fetching the data rows, it will be displayed as an count number. We will see a simple syntax of the count here. See here, it's a select star from employees, it's showing. I'm fetching the data of the select star from the employees, but I don't know how many employee records are available in my database. I don't know. Just simply see here, select count with the parenthesis, star means all. As statement also we can mention here as total, as total. Count star means count all the rows as total. As an output you can specify here from employees table. Run the query. Here we go. The total it's showing is a total, it's a 9 records are showing here. That much of very pretty easy to execute count statement. In addition to know about the count statement, the alias names we are using anyhow here. Earlier session we have covered the AS name as a count is in a total. And from the table, from using the from class to know which table we are going to getting the data. Likewise, one more statement we'll see is in a order. See here it is there. Like I'll implement one more statement here. It is in a select count of star with parenthesis and with the help of a star as total. My requirement is changed now. Orders right away I'm seeing and executing. Now run the query with this selection of this statement. 830 orders are there from the orders table. 830 you see here. Now what I will do is, see here, star, my requirement. Now I am implementing one more condition to filter and counting based on that condition group of records. I am filtering the data. Okay, now see here, select star from orders. Now see here, execute. The columns, everything is displaying here. What are the columns are available in the table? It's showing. Now my requirement is to changing my freight charges is above. See, the column is freight charges is here now. I am counting rows, how many are there, which is above 100 rupees we can assume it. Because something there is a 200 is there, 100, 147, 160, many rows are there. Total we have seen 800 and something change earlier. With the help of this query, we can check it. See, multiple queries how I am planning and implementing. See, 830 rows are there. From the 830 rows, I am filtering some of the data like using where class from orders. Now see, where I am specifying here that a freight charges greater than 100. Like freight charges, I have to mention the column name. I'll write by seeing the column name, I'll write the column name. Why? Because you have to standardizedly you have to write the column name strictly like just a second. Yes, I have selected that and I'll execute it. The column name you have to write very clear, otherwise error, throw an error. F or I G. Right is above, greater than. I have used above 100 only. I want to populate now. See here, if I executed, rows are returned, and how many rows I don't know. So I can mention over here it's a count of the text. I can mention here a row like as orders. You can specify, no problem. As order also we can specify. Okay, 187 rows means 187 orders only there above right charges of 100. See where class how it is filtering with the help of the operator of greater than and less than or equal to, as you wish to use with the help of filtering the records. This is the way basically this count function will help you to write very speedy way queries to implement your dashboards. Wherever the segregation reports and grouping the output of the count of the numbers is required, where you can simply write the with the help of select count of a function which is inbuilt, which is readily available. You need not to write for something to prepare for the count and all. Simply you can mention it count of star as total as an alias name. You can take it to populate the data, and from the table name you have to specify from where which table you want to get the count of the records. All right, that's what about count function. You will be assigned one assignment about how to write the count to analyze and result set you have to prepare for it. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.